Age problems on the GRE. That's that pesky word problem where someone is being compared to someone else's age in 3 years, 5 years ago. These are word translations. The good news is, if you're good at word translations, you understand how to translate words to equations, these are all solvable. Now, there are a few caveats when you compare someone's age in a couple years or a few years ago, and we are going to talk about that in the next two problems, and you're going to have a very good strategy on how to deal with these questions. So when we're done, you're going to be an expert at GRE age problems. All right, so let's see how this problem could be tricky for some of us. 8 years ago, Julie was 4 times as old as James was then. If Julie is now 6 years older than James, how old is Julie? This 8 years ago part, this is the thing that hurts people. We're going to get to that equation second. The key in any age problem is starting out by defining their ages today. So we can say, for example, J for Julie is Julie's age today, however you want to notate it. Then we're going to say M, that's James's age today. Okay, that's very key because now when we do our first equation, it says Julie is now 6 years older than James. That's pretty simple. That's just going to be J is equal to 6 plus M because we're adding 6 years to James's age. Now, the tougher equation is the 8 years ago equation, but it's not bad. All you got to do is take Julie's age today minus 8 from it. That's it. But we got to do something similar for James. Since she's 4 times as old as James was then, we're going to multiply his age, and notice the parentheses here, by 8 years. We're going to multiply his age 8 years ago by 4, set it equal to Julie's age 8 years ago. Now we're going to do some simplification. And this is where you just need to know how to deal with simplifying equations, which I'm sure you do. So we have J is equal to 4M minus 24. The last step, we plug in 6 plus M for J. That's going to give us 6 plus M equals 4M minus 24. We can combine the M's. We can add over the 24. So 30 is equal to 3M. Divide both sides by 3M is 10. Don't fall for the trap. That's James's age. So Julie is, of course, 6 plus 10. So Julie today is 16 years old. That is answer D.